Hello, it is Sunday, July 19th. I have a crap ton of people commenting on that collab post that I posted, and so I'm gonna start writing stuff down so that I don't get confused, because I kind of am already getting confused. But so far today, we have taken the chickens out into the middle of the yard. We let them free roam for quite a while, and it was really hard to catch them. So I'm like this close to building them like a giant pen for them to just roam around in. And Nick and I have some ideas, so we're gonna look into those. We changed out our bike seats and went on a bike ride, which was fun and kind of weird. We had... Oh crap, he put them away. Dang it, Nick, why are you always so clean? We had, like big square seats, like with little butt prints in them, that we got last summer to be more comfortable, but then they ended up not being more comfortable, so we put our old seats back on just because it's at least easier to pedal with normal seats on them. Here's one of the collabs I'm working on. I'm very excited about the collabs. I'm trying to make them all at least a little bit different, but a lot of them are similar. Like there's a few crochet ones, there's a few painting ones, there's a few digital and traditional drawing ones. So I'm trying to make them all a little bit different, but I'm just so excited. I love looking at other people's stuff too, and like seeing their stuff inspires me to do other stuff, so that's kind of how I'm approaching this. I'm like sharing my links and checking out their links, like to their Facebook and Instagram and stuff. And I'm looking at their stuff, and from there, I am like seeing how I could make something similar to that, like inspired by, you know, what I'm looking at, and then suggesting a thing that we can do together based on what they can do and what I can do. So, I'm very excited. But for now, I'm gonna go lay down for a little bit because I'm so tired. It is so hot out. I feel bad for the chickens. I might bring them in, probably not, but I kind of want to. They are in the shade though. They're good. They're having fun dust bathing and stuff, so. Also, I just showered. And I did brush my teeth today. And I've exercised. I have not stretched. I'll probably go stretch before I lay down. But I'm gonna go lay down. I have not really eaten yet today, but I haven't really been hungry. I have drinking a pop though, which kind of fills you up a bit. So I'm gonna go drink some water and write down all these people's info so that I don't get confused between them. And I have 2 scheduled ones already, so that's awesome. One is for Tuesday, which is coming up. I'm about to start working on that later. It's actually the one that I just showed you. And then the other one is going to be posted not this upcoming Friday, but probably the Friday after that. It's a little bit longer term project because it's a little bit more intricate and, you know, fitting our schedules together and stuff, so I'm excited! Look at this awesome food Nick made. Jalapeno poppers and a roast beef sandwich. So Nick and I are getting ready to watch a movie. He's going to go shower again because we were outside and he got sweaty again, so. I wrote down a lot of stuff. I was working on a lot of collab stuff today, and I wrote all of it down, and I'm all organized. To this upcoming video, I'm going to be doing the Toon Me challenge, and I'm going to draw my mom and my brother because they were the only ones that sent me photos. I was gonna do my family members, and they were the first ones to respond, so I'm gonna screen record digitally drawing over their faces, and then that will be my next video, and then this Friday is gonna be the first collab video. Very excited. That one's very fun. I've got that started over here, that right there. I'm gonna paint her on a tiny little canvas about that size. Like half a sheet of paper, basically. Woo. Also, Nick made me yummy food and my belly's so full and I'm so happy. So I don't really feel like hiking or moving or anything right now, but we're about to go hiking again. It is Monday. We woke up late because we stayed up late watching movies. Watched a stupid zombie movie. We were hoping it was gonna be good and it wasn't. And now Nick's waiting for me, so I'm gonna go. Guys, I wore the wrong shoes. These are my house shoes. They're super slippery. And I forgot a hat. It smells so good out here. Usually this is running with water. But there's more water at the bottom of the hill. And it is record heat right here. Oh, look at that. Gave these guys a chance to grow. That's cool. Gnarly thing, and like it's huge.
How big it is? A lot of bugs.
You feeding the little buggy some water?
Mm-hmm.
These are nice. Just trickling.
Looks like a little waterfall.
These guys are like, ah! What just happened? That guy dipped out.
Hey!
My bike used to do that.
What's up?
My bike used to do that.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I am not vlogging very much today because I've just been so busy editing tomorrow's video. I was a little lazy yesterday and I didn't actually record it yesterday. And I was supposed to have that recorded yesterday so that I could just edit it today. But I had to do everything today. And loading things and like rendering things and all that junk technology stuff takes time. And so while I was waiting for all that stuff to happen, I was working on collab stuff and I don't really know what all I want to show you. But here are some sketches, if you can see them. Hold on, just a second. Here's some sketchy stuff that I've been doing to figure out my collab stuff. And I've been working on like the semi-final versions of these things. I did eat. And I'm not drinking much water today. I'm so bad with that. When we have pop in the house, I just can't not drink it. It's so bad. Got 7-Up right now. It's on my little bumblebee coaster. I love the bumblebee coaster. It's so cute.
Photo, and I didn't want to ruin it by drawing something dumb over it. I don't trust myself to do good work yet digitally.
How am I supposed to edit it when it's skipping like this? So I finally got the video done and exporting. I hope it's good because I did very minimal effort or editing because the stupid video would not play. And I am so irritated. And it says that this still has a half hour to render, and then I can actually watch it smoothly after I've waited all this time for it to render. So hopefully it's good. For now, I'm just, figuring out what I want to name it. The video. I'm already messing up my new schedule. I had Saturday and Sunday to record my first project for the week, Tuesday's video. And I didn't record it until this morning. And then it didn't get edited until just now. And it's 9:30 and it's still rendering. So I still don't know if it's actually good or not. And then I still have to upload it. I'm so tired. I just want to go to bed. I did not sleep last night. Well, I did, but I just didn't go to bed until like 3 or 4 a.m. And then I didn't wake up until like 11. I didn't drink any water today. I think I took vitamins. I don't remember. I did shower and brush my teeth. I did not do anything else while I hiked. But I didn't do anything else until a little bit ago when I brushed Saba. But this limit screen time thing, that's not happening today. Because I didn't do any screen time the last 2 days. I did it all today. Ah! Look at this. Oh, his wings are closed. And then there's also this. And then there's also this. Where'd he go? Why are you crying, boy? You wanna come outside? Dodging the rocks. Oh, chicken went straight for him. And then there's also this. Bye. Look at that good boy. Good boy. Oh, he's going for him. See, watch out. Whoa. Enough. They're closing in. All right. Whoa, he just flew up some stairs. Today is Tuesday, July 21st. I woke up very late today, even more so than yesterday, even though I went to bed at an earlier time last night. But anyway, the video went up today and people like it, so that's cool. I did a Tune Me video. And today I have to start painting for Friday's video because that is a collab with somebody, and we're gonna try to share a little clip from each other's videos and add those in our own videos. So I'll probably try to send that today. I will probably also finish up some line work for next week's collab because she has already finished her part of it, the first part of it, and I've only sketched the first part of mine, so I gotta catch up on that. So I'll probably start that, or continue that, I should say, today. Look at this mess. Been watching TV all day. I finished a few projects, actually. Well, I finished one project, actually, and started the next one, which is this one. And I'm making some cross-stitch stuff. It's another collab with somebody. This one will be coming out in about a month, maybe, if I remember correctly. I can't remember, but I'm gonna be making like 16 little cross-stitch things, which this isn't technically cross-stitch. I was doing some embroidery stuff. I was back-stitching up and down. I don't know if you can tell. So it's like 10 p.m. almost, and Nick's feeding the dogs, and we just brought the chickens in. I really, really, really want a coffee shake, like kind of like a root beer float, but with coffee instead. I want it so bad. I don't know why either. I don't need it, and it's gonna keep me awake, but I really want one. Coffee, like cold coffee things, are so addicting. I used to love Timmy's because of their ice caps. I loved the mocha ice cap. They're so good. Oh, I miss it. There's no Timmy's around here. It's very sad. Well, it's not like I'd be going there anyway right now. Too scared of germs. I haven't had such a yummy sandwich in so long. I mean, I make sandwiches occasionally, but like not super fancy ones like that. I miss making sandwiches like that. I learned how to do that from my dad. He taught us how to make big, like, double-decker sandwiches when I was a kid. And I've always made them like that ever since, and everybody says I always make the best sandwiches, so. The fishies, and turned all the lights on, and I'm about to do some painting for Friday's video. Also, I forgot about the chickens until just now, so I gotta go do their water and stuff first. But I'm gonna go ahead and do painting. I just woke up a little bit ago. I've already brushed my teeth. I went pee in the opposite order. Chicken has been yelling since like 5 a.m. I don't think the chickies wanted me to go away. They were up in their coop while I was collecting their feathers, and they were bedding down and like making a purring noise, kinda. And then as soon as I walked away, they came out and started yelling for me. Like, they sounded very upset. I don't think they wanted me to go away. Chickens are so social. Hello, pretty chickies.
So I think I'm going to go ahead and order these two things right here. A little tent thing and some chicken wire so that I have a thing for the chickens already that can be taken down and, you know, moved as needed. But also secure so that nothing can get in or out of the chicken coop. It can be there run, and the walls are removable. So we will put the wire on the inside and we'll have a nice roof for weather protection and stuff. And it should be here next week. Probably.
Because let me tell you, I don't know why I can't be out in the sun for extended periods of time anymore. I just get so hot and I get a migraine. It's so annoying. So I'm gonna get that. I'm upside down. So I'll edit it in the video.
There you go, bud. Jeez, don't fight over it. Okay, buddy. Yeah, he got one. There you go.
I think they're
There you go.
14
Look it,
weeks now.
There you go.
look it.
probably.
That's how you do it,
Look
bro.
it.
Just don't knock it over.
They're in there. There you go. Look at nice. Here.
Red lobster.
Here. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice. Okay, that's enough for one day.
I thought you were supposed to catch him with that.
Rocky, you're in my way. I can't work with you standing right there. Go lay down. Go on. Why aren't you listening, huh? You weirdo. He's still there. It is Thursday the 23rd. 23rd. I only slept for 2 hours last night. Well, I guess I got a nap in earlier yesterday, but I slept from like 8:30 to 10:30 this morning. I was up all night doing sticker research and stuff. I want to make stickers so bad. So bad. I just did the chicken's water, gave them a bunch of cold snacks, even though it's not that hot out yet, but they like snacks. And I did all the fish tanks and the lights and stuff. Oh, I'm definitely taking a nap at some point today. But I need to edit the video. I should have had it edited yesterday, but I really did not feel like it. I was so tired yesterday, and I'm gonna be tired today. But I'm gonna be like slap happy tired and not like groggy weak tired. I started my period yesterday, so it's not a good day. I didn't even know I was supposed to start. I thought I still had like another week or two. And my period's stupid like that, so. Downloaded a screen recorder on my Samsung tablet because it's more comfortable for me to draw on there, so I'll probably do some digital work over on that thing. At least a little bit, maybe line work on that thing, because I use my finger, so it's a lot more comfortable for me. And then maybe bring it over to my computer to color in Krita. Words. So I did this yesterday. This is the video for tomorrow. Yeah. And it's supposed to be pastel goth. It is not nearly like goth enough. I might add like a watery black background kind of thing, and maybe add a little pattern to the shirt because it's kind of plain. It's a little too pastel and not enough goth, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna edit the video first. Procrastination! So I bought this piece right here, and this piece right here, because the phone that I'm using doesn't have an audio jack for my headphones. And I bought this, that way if I have anybody else with me, we can both use headphones or something. And I got this, it goes in the charging bit of the phone. And to get things onto the computer, I usually have to steal Nick's charger because the other end is a USB, and my charger does not. It's just two USB-Cs for some reason. But then I remembered I have this. I can use this. As long as I don't break it. That's how I can get files onto my computer. Woo! Dang it. I don't think this bit has the techie stuff in it to transfer files and charge the phone and stuff. I think it's literally just meant for audio. Those are our neighbors. They have horses. This computer's so stupid. It always takes so long to load. And of course it changed as soon as I started recording. See? I just typed in 2 words. There we go. What you playing?
you should explain.
Yeah, that's his fan.
That's his personal thing.
Yes,
He's
it's
on
his
high
personal
alert right
fan.
now 'cause of the thunderstorm. He's head of security.
Mm-hmm. And also he has allergies, that's why he has patches missing.
Yeah. He's a good boy, though.
So I think I fixed my problem. At the very bottom here, next to this project length thing, it always had like a loading symbol and optimizing HD clips. And I don't even know what that means really. I mean, I guess it's kind of straightforward, but when I'm editing, that doesn't really matter, right? So I went to settings and I turned that off. And now it plays within seconds.
We'll see how it looks when
See?
it's done.
And no loading, no lagging. It's awesome. And Nick and I are about to go ride the four-wheeler. Ride that four-wheeler in the rain. And probably collect some berries that we saw down the road. Haha. And a thing to procrastinate more. I didn't realize it was raining this bad. Chickies! Chickies!
Let me pull it up. Giddy up, partner.
Chickies! Yeah. I'm hiding the phone under my hat though. Better than the store. I don't know about that. Well, I mean, it's organic, I guess. No pesticides or anything. I wore my white pants and my new jacket, and we went mudding yesterday. I hope they don't get dirty.
These are deer bones. There used to be a dead deer decaying over here. Oh, look, a little buddy. Look at that little grasshopper. Hippo, probably, maybe. I don't know. Joint of some sort. That's fine. Oh. Did they just come apart? No, oh. Ew! I probably shouldn't be touching things.
Oh, you're alright.
I didn't expect that.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's all nature.
Look, this is still connected by some tissue.
Yeah. Leg.
Hair.
Me. Look at me right there. You know me. There's a thick bone right there. I bet Rocky and Reese would love to chew on that. Ooh, little black cricket. There we go. Just stop moving. Oh, going under there. Is that a, what is that? I don't know. Kind of looks like a toe, but you don't really have toes. Some fur. Huh? Yeah, we saw a wolf over here not too long ago. A few months ago. Right away, I think. Ugh, it's slimy. Yeah, we watched this thing decay day after day.
Yeah.
Anything over there? There's a lid of something.
Yeah,
Out there.
it's like a chicken's tongue, man. But we gotta be careful too, because of lightning and thunder.
Oh yeah, they're in the mountains. See a jawbone anywhere?
Oh, look, I wanted to find this. It's soft. It's gone.
What about up in here?
Might be.
See rocks. We didn't collect the skull before, did we? I know we have some bones at home, but I think those are the ones we found behind the house. Wonder if the neighbor's kids came down here. Oh, there's a bone right there next to the tree. What's that yellow thing? Oil can, yeah, frickin' Virginia. Yeah, I don't really see anything else.
I hear Saba pawing at the door. Look at all them birds.
You tripped on your food, dude.
You gonna give them to him?
Yeah. All of them or just some?
All of them.
All of them?
Yeah. Hey, chickies.
Oh, you just ate that whole.
Good chickies. Free snacks. Yes,
like sneaking snacks into the movies.
They're also very delicious for us to eat.
Yeah, when they're not bitter.
Yeah, you're right.
What?
This is finally starting to turn red. It's chilly.
Oh, cool.
Careful touching those, they're so spicy. This snapped off in a storm last night.
Yeah.
Banana pepper grown right there, boy.
Yeah, the branch that broke off, though, had a nearly grown one and then, like, 2 smaller ones.
Here's a big green pepper grown. We got a couple jalapenos. A couple more jalapenos on this guy, but this one's real.
Get in there.
Yeah, and then this guy down here. I don't know if he's gonna get bigger.
Swirl.
But then these green peppers are...
Oh, they're getting big!
And then our tomatoes are starting to turn red finally.
Oh, heck yeah. It's like a yellowish,
Yeah, and all your cukes.
little green.
Got some.
They're like 6 or 8 cucumbers, aren't they?
Yeah, and they're real fat.
Yeah, they're like kiwis.
Mm-hmm. Like that one looks like a ball, you know?
And that one looks like a gourd.
Yeah.
Speaking of gourds,
And then
squash!
eggplant. Right there, we gotta trim these up. One right here.
I have no idea how those potatoes are going to turn out.
Yeah, they look cool.
Yeah, they got pretty leaves. Wow, some of these are still here.
Yeah, no, actually they resprouted.
Wow. This is a clipping from, what's that hummingbird tree called? Orange bell-shaped flowers that come up out of the things, and you usually see them against like fences and stuff. This was a tiny little one that was growing in the yard that we dug up and brought with us. And it's growing. Yeah, from Toledo. And there's my rose bush. He's cute. I don't know what these are, though. Let's see what they turn into. They got pretty stalks. Ooh, what's that tiny little thing right there? I don't know how these cactuses are still alive. Look at the spikes. That's crazy. Look at that crazy bush.
Look at this cutie. He just laid down on my lap. What a good boy. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, he wants pets. Look at this cutie. Acting like I'm not here because I'm recording him. You silly boy. Your eyes are so pretty. Toesies? You do toesies? Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Stabbed in the face. Big tail. Look at those little toe beans. Toesies. No, you're not doing toesies. Toesies. Yeah, good boy. Toesies. I forgot we got this at the dollar store today. Yeah, and it's raining. But you can use it in the grass too. And we have plenty of that. Wash off water. Chalk in a can. Hope it's not too bad for the environment because I'm too excited. It was only $3. You have 4 colors. For a second I was like, I wish they had green. I was like, wait, grass. Duh. Oh, ingredients. I don't know what some of that is, but it doesn't look too bad. This computer, Surface Pro something, like 2 or 3, I think, freaking gets so overheated so fast. It's not even exporting. 0% for the last 3 minutes. And to cool it off, I have my fan directly on it. But the video's done, and I'm very happy with it. Look at how it turned out. It's so cute! I went back and added some black details. So I think I'm going to X out of the program, possibly restart my computer, and then try to open it up and export it again. Because it's not responding whatsoever. Polar wind! Oh look, progress! I wonder how long this 10-minute video is going to take to export.
probably at least 20 minutes. Probably a half hour. As slow as this thing's going. We'll see.
Oh, I finally have time to put all these feathers away. All these feathers that I've been collecting for the last, like, 3 or 4 days. Ooh.
He's almost there. And it's 10 o'clock almost. And I got 2 hours of sleep last night. And by last night, I mean this morning. And I still have to upload it to YouTube and put in all the information. Bah. Hey, chickies.
Do you like waffles? Do you like waffles? I'm sure they do. Stop yelling, Seba.
So I'm learning that I think I'm gonna make these vlogs more for me and a little bit less for you guys ish, because last week I had 2.5 hours of footage, and this week I had an hour and a half. Yeah, an hour and a half of footage. And today's only Friday, so I still have the rest of today and tomorrow to add on to the end of the vlog. I'm gonna start cutting out less, because later on, especially, you know, like after I move and stuff, I'm gonna, you know, see these videos and I'm gonna want to watch them, and I'll, like, in my head remember certain stories, but then, or like certain things happening, but then I won't be able to see them anywhere. And so just for myself, I want to keep as much in the videos as possible, because I don't have storage room on the phone or the computer or even this USB that I found in my storage stuff. And so the only place I can have that stuff is probably YouTube. The internet has unlimited storage, basically. So I don't really care if nobody watches them. And if they, you know, if nobody watches them, I can just private them and keep them for myself anyway. But lately I've been watching, like, you know, 2 hour long, like, live streams, except they're like past live streams that other people do, where they're just like sitting there doing something, like cutting stickers for a con coming up or something, and they're just chatting. And so I would definitely watch these, even if they're an hour long each, sometime in the future. I like looking at cool stuff like this, so I think that's where I'm going to start going with that. The only problem with that is uploading it is going to take so long. It's okay. It's worth it. Literally all that I could fit on this USB, even though it's like 16 gigabytes, I think.
Yeah, 16 gigabytes. All I could fit was all of the nature video clips that I couldn't fit into the last vlog.
Oh my goodness.
And so I'm gonna make them into a separate video.
Today because
I forgot to mention that me, Nick, and his mom all went to Floyd this morning, and they ran into the stores and got a bunch of fruits and veggies and some other stuff. Because the only store around here is the frickin' dollar store, and they don't have crap except for junk food. Let me reword that. All they have is crap. But Nick's mom very thoroughly washes off all the fruit and stuff. Oh, I got stem. So I'm editing, and Nick just brought me down some berries. Trying out some new games. Some little free demos that I downloaded. This is Detective Pikachu, the demo. While that's stabilizing, because it takes forever. Who the crap is this Tim dude? What happened to the cool character from the movie? Who the freak is calling me from Boise, Idaho? Oh, finally. It's preening. The word is preening. So it is like... I literally just looked at the time and I don't remember what it said. I think it said it's like 6 o'clock or something. Which isn't too late, but I'm very tired. I haven't been sleeping a lot. I have to keep tapping the screen because it keeps going dim because of the stupid window over there. I got a lot of the vlog edited. And I'm really tired. I'm just... You know how when you get tired at work and then the day is just really long and drawn out? That's what it feels like right now. So I'm gonna go lay down and possibly keep playing a little bit of this if I'm not, you know, able to fall asleep right away. I'm tired, so I'm gonna go lay down. So I'm really tired. I don't know if I've recorded anything yet today or not. Today's Saturday, the 25th. Yeah. It's only 3 p.m., but I am so tired. My sleep schedule has been so messed up this week, so I'm gonna go take a nap and wake up in a little bit and then continue editing the vlog for tomorrow. I just ate some food, and it was warm food. It made me even more tired, so I'm gonna go lay down. I just woke up and came downstairs, and Nick was watching MMA fights, and the first fight that I watched, the one dude won by knockout, and, well, not knockout, but he did choke out. He knocked him to the ground, and then the guy rolled over, and he got to choke him from behind on the ground, so it was cool. It was a very exciting little first fight that I got to see. So Nick and I were just at the dollar store and we got this for $1. And oh my goodness, it smells so good and it actually works and the basement doesn't smell like dog anymore. And we have it in front of a fan. I just turned it off for the video so you could hear me. It works. I highly recommend it. I am finally done editing what I've got up to now for the vlog. It is just about 45 minutes. I really don't want to cut much out because I don't have storage space to keep any of my memories, so I'm just going to use this for that. So, this is going to be my last clip. I'm going to go ahead and throw it in the video. It's going to end up being just under an hour long. Probably like 50 minutes long-ish. And I'm okay with that because I want to remember all of this stuff, as stupid as it may be. I like stupid stuff, so yeah. See you next week.